I'm Salvador Fabregas. I'm 75 years old. In 2013, February 18, I suffered a heart attack. I was brought to the Philippine Heart Center. They discovered that my heart was seriously in danger. 2 days later, kinuhanan ako ng 2D echo test. Ito yung test para sa mga heart patients to determine kung anong nangyayari sa puso. Doon sa 2D echo ginawa nila, February 20, it showed that my heart was weak. Medyo may problema nga talaga yung puso ko, pero hindi naman ganun kasama ang nakikita doon. Pero nung narinig nung kaibigan ko, si Mr. Alan Lim, from Malaysia, was a friend from way back, nung narinig na nagka-heart attack ako, pinadalahan agad niya ako ng 3 kahon ng Nutri-V. Sabi niya, parang ang lakas mo ngayon. Maganda yung recovery mo. And I was feeling well. Palakad-lakad lang ako noon. Beginning from August hanggang January, I started to feel very, very, very bad. Yung talagang masamang pakiramdam ko. Na maski yung mga doktor, nagtataka kung bakit ang ganda na ng recovery ko, bigla lang bumagsak. Nakita na yung puso ko nag-enlarge. It was that bad. And I was really suffering. In fact, I was telling my wife, kung ganito din lang naman, huwag na lang, tawagin na natin yung mga anak na sa Amerika. Ganun na kasama ang pakiramdam ko. Tapos nung January, na-analyze ng misis ko na parang wala naman ibang naiba kundi yung sa Nutri-V. So, nung ininom ko yun, after only 2 months or 8 weeks, nagpa-test ulit ako. Nung nakita ng doktor kung ano yung resulta ng test, halos mahulog siya sa sila. He almost fell off the chair. Sabi niya, this is amazing. Hindi nangyayari ito. Gulat na gulat siya, tapos ganyan siya sa akin. Yung pala, dahil nung November, my heart had grown to be 5.9. So nagulat siya na ngayon, bumaba na sa 4.7.
So Alan was kind enough to send 5 boxes right away. So instead of just taking 1 sachet a day, because I know that from my knowledge of health supplements, I know that when you're trying to treat an illness or recovering from serious illness, you should increase the dosage.
Kaibigan, pare, mga hindi ko kilala dyan, napakagandang pag-asa dito sa Nutri-Village. I thank Longreach for bringing me. I thank Alan again. Alan, thank you very much.